everyone, sun's going down on another year. It's soon to be 2019 and me and Davey Bones just finish it off in style up here in John O'Groats. We're going to celebrate a very Scottish New Year later on when the sun goes down and the midnight hour calls. But me and Davey Bones would like to say thank you to everyone that's followed us and supported us throughout 2018. It's been an absolute phenomenal year. Our very first year together, and what a blast there, Davey, what a blast. Absolutely superb. And I'd also like to thank some of the subscribers to our YouTube channel. I'll shout out some names now at the minute. Sarah Anderson, thank you for the follow. Elliot, thank you. AKA Mum and Dad, Anonymous, Jenny Wren, Chris May, Barry Croston, Malcolm Sparks, Lena TX, Andrea Fluff Kitten, she's a newbie, so yeah, thank you, welcome to the channel. Yeah, and there's a few anonymous E's that are on there, but I'd like to say, yeah, a big thank you. To next year, hopefully, shall see bigger and madder Madventures. All being well there, David. Madventures. Looking forward to it, 2019. We've got a bit of work to do before we can get the boat back in the water, so there's that to come. There's still old footage from 2018. I've staggered a lot of that on purpose, just to keep me going ready for next summer, and we'll see what occurs. But I'm hoping to see more of the British coastline, travel more of the coastline. Whether I get across to Europe, I doubt it, but we'll see. Never say never, and never make plans, so you can never falter then. One of them would be nice if I could navigate all the way around UK and Ireland. And something else I've looked into is this. If I can get it on camera, it's raced by people like you. Well, we've looked into it, but I think 2019's pushing it. It's a bit ambitious, but you never know, it may even be something for the future. Maybe the next race for me and Davey Bones, see how things go. The race itself is about £50,000 to circumnavigate the world, and I'm not a businessman. I'm rubbish at negotiations, so that's me out the window at the minute. So we'll look into that in the future possibly. But yeah, we'd really love to give it a go. If not, me and Davey will just do it on a little boat. Sail the world on a little boat, eh? That'll be fun, won't it? He's done it before though. He even tried getting funding off the Queen as well over Christmas. She says she can't be known to support pirateers or something, she said, the Queen. So I thought, charming, pirateers. We're not that bad, are we? We're a little bit slower. So yeah, we'll see what happens next year. Have a good New Year, see you in a bit. Me and Davey Bones are in search of beer on New Year's Eve. Not one pub open. Cheers! Come on, Davey, we found the pub, I know that, but come on, we've got a street party to get to. Pull yourself together, man. Pull yourself together.
People!
finish you guys off with a shot of John McGroats now. Have a good New Year's.